So my biggest concern was that they would be an eyesore in the room and loud, and to be, we were pleasantly surprised that it was the complete opposite. The units are sleek, they blend right into our decor, we barely notice them, and they are whisper quiet. Temperature control is absolutely huge because we're a family of 5 and all of us are incredibly different. My husband prefers things on the warmer side and I feel like I'm hot all the time. So to be able to cool the room down quickly and then sort of, have it regulated throughout the night is really pleasant for sleeping. And then our 3 kids to be able to have a unit in each of their rooms and to control their temperature. Some prefer it colder, others not so much. And again, the quiet along with the temperature control is just amazing. They don't notice it and it's just comfortable. The best part about working with Pipeworks has to be the extremely high level of customer service. It really started from day one when they came in to do the overall sort of analysis of the house and how things would flow best. We had started out, or the process had started for us in the middle of a major renovation where we were removing walls and changing the layout of our home. And the final vision wasn't even close to being there yet. And Pipeworks came out initially and did an analysis and then returned once we had our new kitchen and the new open floor plan in place, and then kind of reevaluated to make sure that the placement of the units would be most effective for all of the spaces. So that's where it started. And then as the process continued from, we always had very quick responses to emails with questions. The actual crews that came out were timely and prompt. We received reminders when we were going to have tech visits happening, and the house was absolutely spotless during the install. The best and probably most standout quality, I would have to say, is we had just gotten a new puppy the week before the install, and every single technician was so mindful of the new puppy in the house and making sure the doors were closed and making just the entire family feel comfortable as we were coming in and out from work and school. And to be able to come home each night at the end of an install day and still be able to cook and function in the house because it was so clean was just absolutely, you couldn't ask for more, just absolutely amazing. We would use Pipeworks services probably exclusively moving forward for any of our heating, cooling needs. I know that they do so much more as far as insulation, and we've looked into other things and had conversations with different service reps, and how we've even looked at the maintenance plan of how we maintain the units that we now have, and we would exclusively only use Pipeworks and recommend them to anyone that we know that would be looking for something similar.